Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. If you're looking for how to apply or how to use Palmer's Skin Success Anti-Dark Spot Complexion Soap Bar, you can buy this all over the internet. They sell it on Amazon, and it's a very popular, highly rated soap. And so how you're going to use this soap is, depending on the packaging, it's not available, but on some packaging it is. And it's real simple to use. All you need to do is you want to get some warm water. Get your water running warm. And then you're going to, in your hands, you're going to lather up the soap and get it kind of, get it nice and lathered up. And then on your face or wherever you're using it, you're going to kind of massage it into your skin for 30 seconds to a minute. And once that 30 seconds to a minute is up of kind of massaging it into your skin, you just want to make sure you rinse it off real well. So you're going to rinse it off abundantly with water. And it's really as simple as that, then you're done. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.